Hello everyone, I want to have a play with some more of my dried flowers. Let's do some more experimenting. I've chosen some of the smaller ones here. You can see I've got some tiny weeny daisies, I've got some wisteria petals from last year, little tiny fuchsia here and some hydrangea petals. Little purple flowers here, I've got no idea what they are, but let's have a play and see what we can come up with. I want to make some faux wax seals, so I've got my glue gun here, mine's the Dremel. I've also got a couple of spare glue sticks, and then I've got a metal lid. Now you need to prep this first. You need to apply some Vaseline or lip balm or something to the top of your lid, just to stop the glue from sticking to it. And let's have a play. And if you're wondering what the washi tape is here, is just to stop me going off camera. So what I'm going to do here, my glue gun is now heated up. I'm going to press it 3 times. Let's allow 3 full squirts of glue. Here we go. That should do fine. Pop that back on the mat, and let's try this with a hydrangea leaf to start off with. So I'm just going to pop that on top there, and then I'm just going to press down with my metal lid, and I'm just going to leave that there. Get off that stringy bit. There we go. We don't need that. And then you're just going to have to be patient for a second or two, minute or two, just to wait for the glue to dry. And once you've left that to cool down for, I don't know, 30, 40 seconds or so, you can take the lid off. Because I've put that Vaseline on, it's peeled off really easily. I'm working on parchment paper here. And just look at that cute wax seal. I've got a stringy bit there that I can get rid of, but I just love it. Let's try another one. So again, we'll put a few blobs of glue. 1, 2, and I'm just pressing it until the lever releases. Whoops, I need to add another glue stick. Here we go, 3 times. There we go. Swirl it around. What shall we add this time? Let's try one of the little daisies. So pop that on top there, and again I'm just going to press my lid down. You don't want to press too hard, but hard enough to flatten it, and just so that you get that raised impression. And again, I'm just going to leave it for a second or two. Let's get rid of that stringy bit again. Again, I've left that for, oh, I don't know, 20, 30 seconds or so. Just look how cute that is. I just love these, and that flower is well and truly stuck to the glue. Let's try another one. Maybe we can have 4 squirts of glue. I want to try one of these gorgeous purple flowers this time, and that one is slightly bigger. So 2, 3, 4 this time. Let's see what happens with this. Oh, 4.5. I pressed a little bit harder. Let's try one of these on the top, and again, oh, press down. This might not work so well, but nothing ventured, nothing gained. And whilst the glue is still warm, I'm just pressing down with a pin, just so that those petals do stick to the glue, because I don't want them breaking off afterwards, because of course they're dried flowers and they are fragile. So let's see if that works. This one might be a bit too big. It might not work. Now I've left that one for slightly longer just because I've used more glue, so it's taken longer for the glue to dry. So again, we'll just peel this off, and just look, isn't that just gorgeous? I just love these. Now, of course, I made some laminated dried flower embellishments a couple of weeks ago, so I thought I might be able to make a faux glassine envelope to pop these in. I've got a piece of parchment paper here. This comes on a roll. I've got a feeling this was Costco, but you know, you can pick these up in the local supermarket. I think the clearer ones, the milky ones, give you quite a nice finish. Now this little embellishment here measures, I think it's 3.25. Yes, it is 3.25 by 3.25, and I've cut myself a piece of parchment paper that measures 7.5 by, I think it's 5.5, nearly 6. And what I'm going to do is just fold this in half like this, just to create a little faux glassine envelope. Try and centralise it. There we go. get it as neat as I can. Whoops, I've just moved it. I'm going to use my bone folder now just to make a crease. There we go. Just like that. And then I'm going to fold it up at the bottom. Now, of course, this is quite slippery, so it might be a little bit challenging, but we can do this. There we go. Use my finger to start off with, and then come in with the bone folder. There we go. And then we can do the same at the top. Let's just pop that there, just so that we know how much we need to fold it down. And I think I want it to go about there, like that. So again, I'm just going to fold and make a crease. There we go. Then take that out. And what I want to do now is just get rid of the excess, just so that it's not too big and bulky. Oh, there we go. There's my decent scissors. I'm going to cut a V out here and a V out here. You've seen me do this lots of times before. There we go. And let me just show you the shape of that, just so that you can see it. So I've cut a V here and a V there. I'm going to do the same on the other side. This makes it nice and neat, and stops us getting any unnecessary bulk. So we'll take that all the way to there as well. And I'm just going to do the same on this side here as well. So there and there. Really quick, and there and there. There we have it. So now we have the basis of our envelope. So that's what it looks like. I'm just going to apply a small amount of glue down this edge here, like so, just on the very, very edge, and on this edge here as well. There we are. And then I can just fold that down, and that will hold that really, really neatly. And then I'm just going to apply a small amount of glue just on the bottom here as well. Just there and just there. And I can fold that up. And I'm just going to weight this down for a second or two underneath a heavy book. That's glued down nicely, and I can pop my little embellishment inside just like that. Doesn't that look sweet? And then of course we can use one of the daisy wax seals then to pop on the top. Now I'm going to use a removable glue dot to do this, just so that the recipient can either add it to a journal or do whatever they choose with it. But at least I know that it's going to come off really easily. But isn't that sweet? Just you know, a perfect embellishment to go straight into a journal. Well, I hope that you've enjoyed that little project, and I hope it's also given you some ideas as to how you could use these wax seals. I just think they're really cute and fun. That is just a really sweet embellishment to add to a journal. But if you've enjoyed today's video, as always, I'd really appreciate a thumbs up. Do let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you're not subscribed, you know, I really hope that you'll consider doing so. But most importantly, thanks for watching. Take care, everyone, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye for now.